Now this I've been looking forward to. Now I'm going to make presents to everyone I love. Come into my art workshop and I'll show you how. My auntie loves to read fairy tales. In fact, her whole life is like a fairy tale. Believe me, she is happening. So now I want to make her a fairy tale castle. And this is what it looks like. It's always smart to draw what you're gonna make before you make it. Oh, a winter fairy tale castle. And it's starting to snow too. I'll turn it off so that we can get to work. Toilet rolls. Lots of toilet rolls. Start collecting from everybody you know, especially your auntie. We'll need some brown and white cardboard, lots of toilet rolls, even more toilet rolls, sticky tape, glue, ruler, a compass, some paint, brushes, and a pencil, of course. Fairy tale castle in 3 steps. Step 1. Glue together toilet rolls in 3 different layers and cut out circles that matches. Step 2. Glue together the toilet roll layers from small to big and make the top tower. Step 3. Paint and decorate with beautiful winter colors with frost and icicles. Okay, let's get going. First, we need to glue the toilet rolls in 3 layers. The first layer has only got 3 rolls, the next layer has got 7 rolls, and the third layer has got 13 rolls. And here we have all the layers glued, dried and ready. Finally, we need 2 rolls that fit into each other. Here I've drawn up the circles with the compass. A perfect match with the toilet rolls. So now I can just pop them out and start gluing. I put some glue on the top edges. Then I turn the layer around so that the glue runs down and stick to the cardboard circle. When they are dry, we pile up the castle and make the tower. We cut off a piece on the widest toilet roll so that the smaller one fits into it. Just try! It's not hard to find 2 toilet rolls that fit into each other. And then we can glue together the other side of the layers. We start on top and work our way down. Then I turn it all upside down again so that the glue runs the right way and stick well to the cardboard surface. Bake break! All hardworking elves need a bake break. Now the castle is dry and ready to paint. We start with the light blue as the main color on all the toilet rolls. Here I have one that is already painted and dry.
Ooh.
Next, we paint white on all the circles. That's a nice snow and ice color. As I paint, I add a little frost up on the sides of the wall as well. When that's done, we can start with the icicle edges on each floor of the castle. Then we take a ruler and make 2 lines and a zigzag pattern in the middle, just like I show you here. Then we cut it out and end up with some awesome crocodile teeth. We shape them into circular shapes so that they fit around the floors. Here we need to be accurate for the icicle ring to stick well. A bit of glue on the edge and we can position it nicely. Here's one that I made earlier. It's finished with a spire and the works. The spire on the tower is easy to make from a cardboard circle. Just mark off 1 centimeter wide parts along the edge. Then draw straight lines in towards the middle. The circle will give you several spires if you want. Next, you cut out the shape and fold with a ruler till you get a nice spire shape. A bit of glue along the edge, and then we must stick on quite a bit of tape for the shape to hold together until it's dry. Then we paint it in a strong blue color. After all, it's going on top of the castle. And up there it's cold, so we need to add some snow. Oh, works nicely. Next step is the windows. We draw them on a piece of stiff white paper. Paint a little blue in the middle and cut them out. And finally, you can make the princess in the tower. There, isn't she gorgeous? Or do like me, make your auntie. Auntie in the tower. My uncle, on the other hand, he lives here. Couldn't take it anymore. I think some fresh air will give me the right ideas. Hey, Sophie! Whoops, thanks. Then we pack it up. But how do we pack up a whole castle? We'll certainly need a big box and glue down the flaps on both sides. What if we make a magical door that we can open and then find the castle behind the door? I use a ruler for the straight lines on the door and freehand on the curved lines on the door. And draw a large, beautiful door that is pointed on top. Now we can start painting, and we start with a blue color in the middle. And white around the edge. When it's dry, we can paint in a beautiful winter landscape. I have mixed up a light blue color and paint the snow-covered ground. On top of the hill, we paint a shiny white princess castle with tall spires and pennants on top. Up on the sky, we paint in a slim moon, surrounded by shiny stars. And down below, another snow-covered hill. But then we need a door handle, and it's going to look like this. We draw the handle shape, then the round shape around it, and we paint it light blue and cut it out and glue together the parts. Next, we glue the handle to the door. Finally, we need a little lock on the door and we glue it on around the corner. Works beautifully. Time to put in the present. First the castle, then the snow princess, my auntie, and the rubber band on the lock. Do you have an idea for a good to and from card? How about yet another toilet roll? Then we need 2 toilet rolls that fit into each other. We cut off a piece of the widest toilet roll and get this kind of mechanism. You may find a bit of slack in between the 2 toilet rolls, so just fill it in with some tape. There! Now it's nice and tight and ready to glue. Whoa, perfect fit! Here I have one that is painted blue inside. And to make it glide nicely back and forth, I roll on a bit of tape here as well. Wow, great flow! Hey, we are toilet roll engineers! Now we can paint on the names. To somebody, from you. Here you must write in the names you'd like. Finally, I decorate with stars on the sky. Okay, time to drill a hole for the string. We put it through the hole and tie it up. Here we can write pull. Quite a stylish to and from card. And so we can tie the string around the door handle and make a knot. Now let's create our own fairy tales. Ah, the third present in our Christmas tree. It's starting to grow. I so look forward to the next present.
Santa's on a holiday. Why is Santa on a holiday? Please get Santa on his sleigh.